Hello everyone. Trigonometry is a topic in Pure Mathematics 1. In this video, I'm going to explain how to answer questions based on trigonometry. Mostly trigonometry questions asked in Pure 1 falls into two types. One is proving trigonometry identities. Next, solving trigonometric equation. Sometimes they may ask to sketch a graph for the given trigonometric function or apply transformations also. In this video, we will look into trigonometric questions from 2023 question papers. Before that, let's revise some of the basics of trigonometry. Tan theta equal to sin theta over cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, which gives, which from this we can write cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and similarly we can write sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, and 1 minus sine square theta. This is nothing but 1 square minus sine square theta. This is of the form a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. That is 1 plus sine theta multiplied by 1 minus sine theta. Okay, now we will look into the trigonometric question from February-March 2023. By first obtaining a quadratic equation in cos theta, solve the equation tan theta multiplied by sin theta equal to 1. So tan theta can be written as sin theta over cos theta multiplied by sin theta equal to 1. Okay, this is nothing but sin square theta divided by cos theta, and this can be written as sin square theta equal to cos theta. For sin square theta, let us substitute 1 minus cos square theta and bring the cos theta to the left hand side. You will get minus cos theta equal to 0. We can rewrite this as cos square theta plus cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So cos theta equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by negative 1 divided by 2, and this is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4, which is 5, divided by 2. So theta equal to cos inverse of minus 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2, and cos inverse of minus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 gives 51.8 degree, and it's given theta lies between 0 and 360. So we can write one more value, 360 minus 51.8 degree. So theta is 51.8 degree and 308.2 degree. The next part of the question is show that tan theta over sin theta minus sin theta over tan theta equal to tan theta multiplied by sin theta. Tan theta divided by sin theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta and sine theta minus sine theta, and tan theta can be written as here sine theta divided by cos theta. So this is equal to 1 over cos theta, as sine theta gets cancelled. Here also sine theta gets cancelled, so you'll get minus cos theta. And this can be written as 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos theta. And we know 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. And cos theta, from sine square theta, take 1 sine theta, combine with cos theta. So this can be written as sine theta divided by cos theta multiplied by sine theta. So sine theta over cos theta is tan theta multiplied by sine theta. So we got the answer, we proved it. Next, this question is from the question paper 11 MJ 2023. Solve the equation 4 sine theta plus tan theta equal to 0. So it's a sine theta plus tan theta. This can be written as 4 sine theta plus sine theta divided by cos theta equal to 0. And this can be written as, first let's take sine theta commonly. 4 plus 1 over cos theta equal to 0. So sine theta equal to 0 or 4 plus 1 over cos theta equal to 0. So 1 over cos theta equal to negative 4 or cos theta equal to negative 1 over 4. Okay. So sine theta equal to 0. When sine theta is 0 means theta will be equal to 0. But we have to ignore it because it's given theta is between 0 and 180. 0 is not included. So ignore this one. Okay. So cos theta equal to negative 1 over 4. So theta equal to cos inverse of negative 1 over 4, which is equal to 104.47 can be written as 5. So theta is equal to 104.5 degrees. This is also another question from the same question paper. A curve has equation y is equal to 2 plus 3 sine 1 over 2x. State greatest and least value of y. The function is given sine and x lies between 0 to 4 pi. Okay. So if you take a sine curve from 0 to pi, the minimum and maximum values are positive 1 and negative 1. Okay. So if it is 0 to 4 pi also, you will get the minimum and maximum value as +1 and -1. So y is equal to 2 plus 3 and y is equal to 2 minus 3 multiplied by -1 gives -3. So 5 and -1. These are the least and greatest value of y. You will get the greatest value 5 when x equal to pi, and when x equal to 3 pi you will get the negative value, that is the least value. The next part of the question is sketch the curve. So let's write the x value: 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi and 4 pi. Write the corresponding y value. So I will write the function here: y is equal to 2 plus 3 sine 1 over 2x. So when x is 0, sine 0 is 0. So you'll get y value as 2. When x is pi, you will get sine pi over 2. That is 1. So 2 plus 3 is 5. Next, when x is 2 pi, you will get 2 pi multiplied by half means that 2 gets cancelled. So you'll get sine pi, which is nothing but 0. So you'll get 2. And for 3 pi, we will get -1. So 2 minus 3 is -1. And for 5, again 2. Now let us plot these points. So y takes the value 2, 5, -1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and -1. So x is 0, y is 2. When x is pi, y is 5. For 2 pi, 2. 3 pi, -1. 4 pi again 2. Now join all the points. You get a curve like this. Okay. Try to draw a smooth curve. The next part of the question is state the number of solutions of the equation 2 plus 3 sine 1 over x equal to 5 minus 2x. For this, first we need to draw the right hand side, that is 5 minus 2x. Let us take this as y. Y is equal to 5 minus 2x. So when x is 0, y is 5. When y is 0, x will be equal to 2.5. Plot these points on the same diagram: 0, 5. So here 2.5 and 0. So pi is 3.14. So 2.5 will come somewhere here. Y is 0. Okay. Now let us join these 2 points. This line is y is equal to 5 minus 2x. So here the curve and the line intersects at only one point here. So this equation has only one solution. So the next question is from the question paper 12 MJ 2023. By first expanding cos theta plus sin theta the whole square, find the three solutions of the equation cos theta plus sin theta the whole square equal to 1. Okay, first we have to expand cos theta plus sin theta. So is cos square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta. Bring this 1 to the left hand side. Negative 1 equal to 0. So this 1 and negative 1 gets cancelled. You will get 2 cos theta sin theta equal to 0. That is cos theta equal to 0 or sin theta equal to 0. And here it's given theta is between 0 and pi. Okay. So here theta is equal to, when cos theta is 0 means theta will be pi over 2. And sin theta is 0 when theta is 0 and pi. So these are the three solutions: 0, pi over 2 and pi. So the next part of the question is, hence verify that only one solution of the equation cos theta plus sin theta equal to 1 for theta lies between 0 and pi are 0 and 1 over 2 pi. Okay, the difference is here square is given, here square is not given. Okay, so this has only two solutions. Okay, we have to verify it. So cos theta plus sin theta equal to 1. So it's given, we have to prove, we have to verify it has only 0 and 1 over 2 pi as the solution. Okay, let's take theta equal to 0. So you will get cos 0 plus sin 0. And cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. This is equal to 1. So this satisfies the equation. So theta equal to 0 is a solution. And theta is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by pi. So cos pi over 2 plus sin pi over 2. Cos pi over 2 is 0 and sine pi over 2 is 1. So this is also equal to 1. So this also satisfies the equation. So this is also a solution. Okay. And theta is equal to, let's take theta equal to pi also. So cos pi plus sine pi. So cos pi is -1 and sine pi is 0. So we will get -1. So this is not a solution. Only theta equal to 0 and theta equal to 1 over 2 pi are the solutions. So only theta equal to 0 and 1 over 2 pi are the solutions. The next part of the question is prove the identity sine theta divided by cos theta plus sine theta plus 1 over cos theta divided by cos theta minus sine theta equal to cos theta plus sine theta minus 1 divided by 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay. Here, if you look at the denominator, it is of the form a plus b multiplied by a minus b. And we know that it is a square minus b square. Okay. Now let us take the LCM. Cos theta plus sine theta multiplied by cos theta minus sine theta. And here it is sine theta multiplied by cos theta minus sine theta plus 1 minus cos theta multiplied by cos theta plus sine theta. And this is equal to sine theta cos theta minus sine square theta plus cos theta minus cos square theta plus sine theta minus sine theta cos theta divided by cos theta plus sine theta multiplied by cos theta minus sine theta is cos square theta minus sine square theta. This 2 gets cancelled and the remaining terms are cos theta plus sine theta minus sine square theta minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta minus sine square theta. This can be written as cos theta plus sine theta. So this is minus of sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is nothing but 1 divided by cos square theta minus sine square theta. So we need to prove this is equal to, okay, we got the numerator. So denominator, we have to get 1 minus 2 sine square. Only we need to get sine square only. So for cos square, we will substitute 1 minus sine square theta minus sine square theta. So this is equal to cos theta plus sine theta minus 1 divided by 1 minus sine square theta minus sine square theta. That is 2 sine square theta. which is the required one. So we proved it. Next, C part of the question is, using the results of A and B, solve the equation. So from part B, we know that this is equal to this expression, cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 divided by 1 minus sine square theta. So cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 divided by 1 minus 2 sine square theta. This is the left hand side here. Right hand side, this is equal to 2 cos of 2 multiplied by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. So from B, we have written cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 divided by 1 minus 2 sine square theta equal to 2 cos theta plus sin theta minus 1. Okay. Now let us take the denominator 1 minus 2 sine square theta to the right hand side. So now we got cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 is equal to 2 multiplied by cos theta plus sin theta minus 1, which is multiplied by 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay. Now take the right hand side expression to the left hand side, and this expression will be equal to 0. Now we can take cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 commonly from both the terms. Now we will get cos theta plus sin theta minus 1, the whole thing multiplied by 1 minus 2 of 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Okay. So let us simplify this one, and we can say cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0, or 1 minus 2 multiplied by 1 minus 2 sine square theta. That term is equal to 0. Cos theta plus sin theta minus 1 is equal to 0. So for this, already we found theta equal to 0, 1 over 2 pi are the two solutions. So let us use that one here. So theta equal to 0 or pi over 2. So here 4 sine square theta equal to 1, or sine square theta equal to 1 over 4, or sine theta equal to plus or minus 1 over 2. So theta equal to sine inverse of plus or minus 1 over 2. So when theta equal to plus 2, that is when sine theta equal to plus 2, so theta equal to pi over 6, or 5 pi over 6. So we are getting 5 pi over 6 because of pi minus pi over 6 gives 5 pi over 6. Okay, this is also within the range. When sin theta equal to negative 1 over 2, we get theta value as negative pi over 6, and we get 7 pi over 6. So this is minus, so we are getting plus pi over 6. It is 7 pi over 6. But both a negative pi over 6 and 7 pi over 6 are out of the range. As it is given, theta is between 0 and pi only. Okay, so we are ignoring the negative values, negative pi over 6 and 7 pi over 6. Okay, so theta equal to 0, pi over 6, pi over 2 and 5 pi over 6 are the solutions. This is the another question from the same question paper. The diagram shows the graph of y is equal to f of x, where the function f is defined by f of x equal to 3 plus 2 sine 1 over 4x. On the diagram above, sketch the graph of y is equal to f inverse of x. The graph of f inverse, which is the reflection of the graph of f of x about the line y is equal to x. So first draw the line y is equal to x. Then switch all xy values of f of x in each points to sketch the inverse. F inverse function, first draw a line y is equal to x. So this point is near pi. So I'll mark it here. And this is pi that will come here. And this point will come here. So you'll get an inverse curve like this. So this is f inverse of x. Find an expression for f inverse of x. Let's write the given expression as y is equal to 3 plus 2 sine 1 over 4x. Y minus 3 equal to 2 sine 1 over 4x. And we can bring this 2 also to the other side. It will go in the denominator. So 1 over 4x equal to sine inverse of y minus 3 divided by 2. So x equal to 4 sine inverse of y minus 3 divided by 2. So now replace x by y and y by x. You will get f inverse of x equal to 4 sine inverse of x minus 3 divided by 2. The next part of the question is, the diagram above shows part of the graph of the function g of x equal to 3 plus 2 sine 1 over 4x. Complete the sketch of the graph of g of x on the diagram above, hence explain whether the function g has an inverse. So here g of x is given and we need to complete the diagram. Complete and sketch the diagram. So when x equal to minus 1 over 2 pi, we need to find what is the g of x value and we have to plot. And similarly for when x equal to minus pi and when x equal to minus 3 over 2 pi and when x equal to minus 2 pi. Okay, for those 4 points we need to find what is the g of x value. So when x equal to minus 1 over 2 pi, what is g of x? So g of x equal to 2.23. So when x equal to minus pi, g of x equal to 3 plus 2 multiplied by sine 1 over 4 multiplied by negative pi gives 1.59. When x equal to negative 3 over 2 pi, g of x equal to 1.15. When x equal to negative 2 pi, g of x equal to 1. So pi is nothing but 3.14 and half pi is 1.57. Okay. Now let us plot the points. X equal to negative 1 over 2 pi, then g of x is 2.23. Let's mark it here. Approximately minus pi equal to 1.59. So you'll get a curve like this. So hence explain whether the function g has an inverse. The function g has an inverse because this is an one-to-one function. Because each value of x corresponds to exactly one value of g of x. So g is an one-to-one function and it has an inverse. The next question is from The question paper 13 MJ 2023. Show that the equation 3 tan square x minus 3 sin square x minus 4 equal to 0 may be expressed in the form a cos power 4x plus b cos power 2x plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are constant to be found. So we have to express the given equation in terms of cos. So 3 tan square x can be written as sin square x by cos square x minus 3 sin square x minus 4 equal to 0. So 3 sin square x minus 3 sin square x cos square x minus 4 cos square x equal to 0. Sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. So 3 multiplied by 1 minus cos square x minus 3 1 minus cos square x multiplied by cos square x minus 4 cos square x equal to 0. So 3 minus 3 cos square x minus 3 plus 3. Okay, cos square is also there, minus 3 cos square x plus 3 cos power 4x minus 4 cos square x equal to 0. So let us rearrange 3 cos power 4x minus 10 cos square x plus 3 is equal to 0. The value of a is 3, b is negative 10 and c is 3. The b part of the question is, hence solve the equation 3 tan square x minus 3 sin square x minus 4 equal to 0. So we have to solve this one. We know now 3 tan square x minus 3 sin square x minus 4 is nothing but 3 cos power 4x minus 10 cos square x plus 3. So 3 cos power 4x minus 10 cos square x plus 3 equal to 0. Now we have to solve this one. For that, let us take cos square x as t. Substitute that one, we will get 3t square minus 10t plus 3 is equal to 0. T is equal to 10 plus or minus 100 minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 divided by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 10 plus or minus 4 into 3 multiplied by 3 is 36. So you will get square root of 64, which is nothing but 8 divided by 6. So 3 40 takes the value 10 plus 8 divided by 6 is 18 divided by 6 is 3, 1 over 3. So now this can be written as cos square x equal to 3 or cos square x equal to 1 over 3. So cos x equal to plus or minus square root of 3, and here cos x equal to plus or minus 1 over square root of 3. And cos x equal to plus or minus square root of 3 will not give any solution, because the cos value will be always between the range -1 to +1. Okay, so no solution here. And cos x equal to plus or minus 1 over square root of 3 gives a solution. So x equal to cos inverse of plus 1 over 3, and x equal to cos inverse of minus square root of 1 over 3 equal to, this is 54.7 and this is 125.3. So x equal to 54.7 and 125.3. These are the two solutions.